Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy a channel link on WhatsApp. This is a great way to share your favorite channels with friends and family, or to promote your own channel. It's quick, easy, and will help boost your channel's visibility. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then, navigate to the channel you want to copy the link from. It could be a channel you created or one you follow. Once you're in the channel, tap on the channel's name located at the top of your screen. This will take you to the channel info page. Next, scroll down until you find the channel link option. This is where you'll find the link you need to copy. Now, tap on Copy Link. This will copy the channel link to your clipboard, and you'll be able to paste it anywhere you want. With the link copied, you can now share it through various platforms. You can send it in a text message, email, or post it on social media. If you have an audience on Telegram, WhatsApp, or another platform, you can send them the link to join your WhatsApp channel. You can also share it to your status and share it to other apps. If it is the channel that you joined that you want to copy the link, head over to the channel and you need to click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you're going to see the share option. So once you click on the share option, just copy this and it's going to copy the follow the WhatsApp channel on WhatsApp and the link. And that's it. You've successfully copied the link to a WhatsApp channel and are ready to share it with the world. This simple trick can help grow your channel or introduce your friends to awesome content. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.